I'm C. Eric Scott, and this is One Man Taste Test. On this episode, we'll be revisiting a review that I did a few years ago in Puerto Rico of a Chicken Mac from McDonald's. My curiosity was piqued, so I ordered one, and now we're going to do an unboxing video of the McDonald's Chicken Mac. So, here we go. Let's see here. It looks like pretty generic packaging. Alright, so, well, it is just like a Big Mac, except instead of 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun, it's 2 chicken patties, with I think everything else that a Big Mac normally has. Let's see here. Well, that is missing something, right? Let's see here. Up, there's the special sauce and the pickles. Let's see here. Here we have the cheese. It looks like special sauce and shredded lettuce. Alright, so now I'm going to try and see what this monstrosity tastes like. Okay, here we go. It's already starting to fall apart just like a regular Big Mac. Well, it does indeed taste like a Big Mac with chicken patties. It's actually pretty delicious. Hopefully they'll get these in the States. What's your rating? Well, it's fast food, so I'd probably give it a 4 out of 5. How would you describe the smell? I don't know. I don't really smell much of anything, I guess. But I mean, it's good. It tastes good though.
It smells like a Big Mac.
Yeah, I guess it kind of does. It's that sauce, probably. Big Mac sauce. But well, I think I'm gonna finish enjoying this now. So hopefully everyone enjoyed the unboxing of the McDonald's Chicken Mac sandwich. As far as I know, available here only in Puerto Rico, but I'm going to do some research to find out. So, enjoy. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.